This is it. We're claiming our first ever crown for the Philippines in Miss Cosmo 2025. Chelsea Fernandez, Miss Cosmo Philippines!
Yeah! Very excited. I'm over the moon right now. Very, very happy. And I cannot wait also to meet all of the delegates for this year's edition.
Ngiti at tapang, kasama sa entablado. Puso ng Pilipino, laban na itutuloy hanggang huli, tsak na panalo. Hakbang sa entablado, liwanag